You know how most traders say, never increase your lot size after a loss? Yeah, we're ignoring that today. In this video, I'm running a crazy experiment. Every single time this indicator gives a new signal, I'll double my lot size. No resets, no mercy. Whether it wins or loses, I'm just going to keep stacking the risk until the account either grows or completely blows up. The indicator I'm using is called Smrt Algo Swing, and it's designed to catch early reversals and trend shifts automatically. Basically, it plots buy and sell signals based on momentum and structure changes, so there's no need to guess when to enter. Now, before we start, let me quickly show you the exact settings I'm using for this test. I'm keeping everything default, except I've set the signal filter to show only strong buy and strong sell signals. That way, we're only taking the highest confidence setups. Unlike the usual setup, I won't be using the indicator's built-in stop loss or take profit. Instead, I'll place my stop just above or below the key level and aim for roughly 2 times the risk for take profit. The rules for this challenge are simple. Every new strong signal equals double the lot size. Follow the direction of the indicator. Keep going until the account grows or blows up. It's one of those high-risk challenges that could go really well or really, really bad fast. So, if you enjoy wild trading experiments like this, make sure to drop a like and let me know in the comments what kind of challenge you want me to try next. Alright, we're trading gold on the 30-minute time frame, and the first signal just came in. It's a strong sell on XAU USD. Since it's the first trade, I'm starting small with just 0.01 lot. I entered the sell at 3,647.43. Stop loss up at 3,662.73, and take profit down at 3,616.83, roughly a 1-to-2 risk to reward ratio. Now, just to give you guys some context, the indicator I'm using here is designed to automatically detect early reversals and mark out strong buy or sell zones. So when it prints a strong sell like this, it's usually signaling a potential momentum shift in the market. And that's exactly why I took this setup. Price had just reacted off a key resistance, and the signal lined up perfectly with that area. And, oh man! This trade hit take profit clean. First trade, first win, and I'm actually surprised how much it made, considering it was just 0.01 lot. That's already a decent jump in the balance, now sitting at $130.60. Honestly, that's kind of scary. If the small lot can make that much, I can't imagine what's going to happen when the lot size starts doubling later on. But hey, rules are rules. So next trade, we're doubling up. Let's see how long we can keep this up before things blow up. Alright, next up, new signal just printed, and this time it's a strong buy. So according to the challenge rules, I'm doubling the lot size, going in with 0.02 lot this round. Entries at 3,639.27. Stop loss down at 3,625.27, and take profit all the way up at 3,667.27. Again, roughly 1-to-2 risk to reward. Now, one thing I really like about the Smrt Algo Swing Indicator is how it doesn't spam random signals. You'll notice it only gives setups when there's a genuine momentum shift. This strong buy came in right after a clean rejection from a support zone, and the momentum bar flipped bullish at the same time, which gave me more confidence to take it even with the bigger lot. Wow! This trade hit take profit perfectly. Second win in a row, and the balance just jumped to $186.60. That's almost double what we started with, and it's only trade number 2. Honestly, I'm feeling a bit nervous now, because if this keeps going, the lot sizes are about to get really big, and one bad trade could wipe out everything in seconds. But rules are rules. Next one, we're doubling again. Let's see how far this account can go. Alright, moving on to trade 3. Since the previous setup was a winner, our next lot size doubles again, this time 0.04 lots. We got a sell signal from the Smrt Algo Swing at 3,678.25. Stop loss was placed above the previous swing at 3,691.25, and take profit at 3,652.25, keeping that same 1-to-2 risk to reward structure. Man, that wiped out everything we built so far. The balance dropped from $186.60 to $134.60, basically erasing both earlier wins in a single trade. That's the scary part about doubling the lot size every time. One loss, and all the stacked profits can disappear instantly, and we're only 3 trades in. Alright, after that loss, our lot size doubles again, now 0.08 lots. This time, Smrt Algo Swing gave another sell signal around 3,692.58, with stop loss at 3,705.58 and take profit at 3,666.58. Honestly, after losing the last trade, I was a bit nervous pressing that sell button again, especially knowing the risk just doubled. But the signal looked strong. Momentum flipped down, structure was breaking, and Smrt Algo Swing flashed another strong sell confirmation. And wow, this one hit beautifully. Price dropped cleanly into target. Take profit smashed. Okay, we're back in the game. Balance jumped from $134.60 all the way up to $342.60. That's more than double the account in just one trade. It's crazy how fast things can swing in this kind of challenge. One loss feels brutal, but one win like this makes you forget it instantly. Alright, lot size just doubled again. Now we're at 0.16 lots, and Smrt Algo Swing just printed another sell signal around 3,689.80, with stop loss at 3,701.80 and take profit at 1,665.80. I took the trade, expecting another clean drop like the previous one. But this time, the market had other plans. Price spiked up almost immediately after entry, tagged the stop loss, and the trade closed in a loss. Ouch, there goes all that profit we just made. The balance dropped back down to $150.60, almost wiping out the entire comeback from trade 4. That's the brutal side of this challenge. The higher the lot, the harder the hit. And remember, we're not resetting. So the next trade, yeah, lot size doubles again. Alright, here we go. Trade 6. Lot size is now a massive 0.32, which means any move against me could wipe the whole account. The indicator just printed a strong sell signal, so I enter at 3,866.32. Stop loss at 3,878.32. Take profit at 3,842.32. A clean 1-to-2 setup. I took the trade, and right away, price started pulling back. The floating drawdown got heavy, and before it could even reach take profit, margin call. The account completely blew up, finishing at negative $8.44. But here's the crazy part. If you look at the chart, the signal was actually right. Price did reverse and hit where the take profit would have been. I just didn't have enough margin left to survive the swing. That's the real danger of this challenge. The indicator itself was doing its job, but doubling the lot size every trade turns even a small loss into a disaster. Still, looking back, out of 6 trades, I had 4 wins and only 2 losses, a solid 66% win rate, and about 40% account growth before the blow-up. But again, this is just an experiment. It shows how important money management is, because even with a good indicator, reckless lot sizing can destroy a profitable system. So, yeah, insane results, wild ending, but overall a really fun test. If you want to try Smrt Algo Swing yourself, I'll leave the link down below. Go check it out. And if you want me to run another crazy challenge like this, maybe doubling after wins instead of losses. So hit that like button and drop your idea in the comments. As always, trade smart, stay safe.